Hello, another package arrived today. This should be the Micro HDMI to HDMI cable, and I will be using this to use my Raspberry Pi display connection, so I can see the operations that are occurring, or the things that I'm doing on the Raspberry Pi with graphical user interface, rather than just the remote option with the headless option. So I would also, because right now I'm trying to sign in on the Raspberry Pi, but it's not working, and I looked online and the advice is to create a new user name and password, but I am unable to do that because I cannot see. So I have to use this HDMI cable to see the screen, so I can change my username and password as it's shown on YouTube. So let's see if this is actually that HDMI to micro HDMI cable. Okay, so micro HDMI to HDMI, high-speed HDMI with Ethernet. All right, so now I can actually start using my Raspberry Pi once I connect this to it. The micro HDMI, and I can't remember the length of it, but I'll just use an extension if I need to, or it should be good enough for now. So thank you for watching.